a gentleman, not only physical strong, but also mentality. He must be strong to withstand stress, temptation, negative whisper of co-workers, and many others heavy things in life. I will share one mentality that makes your mental stronger. Simple way, write 3 things this every morning. Number 1, I will stop for thinking point, 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 point. Number 2, I'm grateful for point, 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 point. Number 3, I will focus point, 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 point. Let's discuss one by one. I will stop for thinking, and you can write for the example. I will stop for thinking about my toxic relationship. I will stop for thinking about my losing football team. If you write this every morning, you have removed the burden of overthinking. The important thing is to be specific, and when you finish writing, don't really think about it. By writing this will help remove the burden of the unproductive thought. Can make your mind easier. Your mental will become stronger because you are used to identify problem. So don't overthinking. Number 2, I'm grateful for point, point, point. For the example, I'm grateful for a nice day, so I don't have to rain when I go to work. I'm grateful because today is a red day. I'm grateful because I have done a good job. Based on the study, if you write 5 things that make you grateful for every week, you will be happy. And when you feel grateful, you can be a positive thinking. Number 3, I will be focused point, 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 point. Write what are you focused today. For example, I will be focused to make educational content for my YouTube channel. I will be exercise for a healthy body. I will be focused on working on office report that must be finished today. This will make your focus one thing so it doesn't burden your mind too much. Okay bro, let's try to get used to it. Write 3 things in the morning every day. After waking up, do it regularly. You will have a stronger mentality. Don't overthinking, get used to positive thinking, and have a clean focus. Never give up, bro.